Hello everyone, welcome to SA World. Today I will show you Microsoft Azure Services and complete view of Microsoft Azure. Let's start. If you have visit first time of my channel, kindly like, share and subscribe us for more technical videos. Let's start now. Open Google Chrome and type portal.azure.com. After open portal.azure.com, I will log into my email ID. Just sign in. After sign in, you can see Azure Services. Azure Services and more expand this more services. Left side all Azure Services and center Azure Active Directory, virtual machine, resource groups, app services, storage accounts, SQL database, cost management, virtual networks, and general all resources, management groups, resource groups, marketplace, service health, tags, quick start center, fee services, and resource explorer. More, more in compute session. Virtual machine skill set, app services, batch account, cloud services, availability sets, OS images, Citrix Virtual Desktop, SAP HANA on Azure, Host, Azure, and more container apps. Further, you can see in right side workspace, approximately placement, VM images, disk, Kubernetes services most popular. Container services, container instance is most popular. Function apps, virtual machines is also most popular. Further, further we can see networking, virtual network, load balancer, network watcher, network interfaces, public IP prefixes, application security groups, service endpoint policy, web application firewall policies. WAF is most important security for web servers, virtual vans, Azure Synapse, front door and CDN profile, network security groups, public IP addresses, DDoS, production plan, route tables, further Azure Bulletin Firewall, Firewall Manager, IP group, firewall policy, connections, route services, network security groups, reserve IP addresses. I have shown you all Azure services in this video. Further complete Azure course start. If anyone interested, kindly comment me in below video. Its paid course, complete Azure Services course, complete Azure tutorials, step by step guide you. Further, you can see more web services like hosting services running on web and more Play Store apps running on Azure and different cloud Amazon like Google Cloud app services, mobile app services, containers. Containers is most popular. Many big organizations use these services. Further databases, Azure SQL, Azure MySQL services, analytics, data factories, event hub, log, further AI machine learning, Internet of Things, IoT hub. The next generation technology is Internet of Things. Azure provide you vast of services. You can pay only your usage. Only usage services pay, not other. Integration, identity, Active Directory, Microsoft Azure Active Directory groups, security, Active Directory users you can create, security, DevOps starter and migration, Azure migration. You can your physical machines move to cloud, Azure cloud easily. Management and governance, hybrid plus multi-cloud, others, cloud access terminals, group settings, and much more as per your requirement. Many things you can use and in your budget in Azure. If you interested this course, you can contact me, email, comment. I will guide you, I will share you, I will teach you online step by step complete Azure course. Thank you for watching.